Now let's try and see our natural gas for this week by the way. So we want to try and predict where our price will be moving, which might not be absolutely correct, but at least we can try and predict where our price will be moving. Let's start with our monthly time frame down to our 1 hour time frame. So top down analysis on the monthly time frame right here. First of all, we have this 10 period moving average. This trade you can see it's a 10 period moving average, and the price is above our 10 period moving average, which means we are on a bullish move. And if you want to trade it on our monthly time frame, we are to look for a way to actually take the buy. So we would want to go bullish on our 10 period moving average on the monthly time frame, right? So this is actually an impulse move. Let's see our trend line move. There was a correction here. We had a huge impulse move. Then we had this red candlestick, which was a correction, right? Came to touch our 10 period moving average, and now we've had this huge movement upward. So I think the movement will still continue to have this movement a little bit of upward. Then we actually see this correction. Is the correction over on this our monthly time frame? I personally don't believe so that the correction is over. So we would want to see this correction still drop to at least 8.394, at least 8.394. It can even drop below and continue. It can even drop below it, but I would still want to see this natural gas come down to 8.394 on our monthly time frame. Exactly, we are still expecting a little bit of drop on our natural gas. That is on our monthly time frame. Let's see it on our weekly time frame. This was actually an uptrend move, full trend. So let's start it from here, by the way. So I'll start from here. There was an impulse movement upward. So there was a correction here, huge one, right? We saw this huge impulse movement. And if you notice that this ice here actually broke below our previous higher ice here. This was our previous higher ice here. So price break above it. So I mean now we are actually on a pullback level here. So let's see it from here also. I think we should be able to get it properly very well. From here, we'll see it from here. There was a huge movement upward here. We had a correction, right? There was another impulse movement which breaks below this previous ice here. Now we are having a little bit of a correction. So I still believe that our correction would be over anytime soon, but we would want to see it drop a little bit again. See it drop a little bit, and if it does not, then there's no problem, because this is actually a key level area here. So our price has come here to test this level area, key point area here. So our price is now within that area, so we can very much likely have a bullish movement upward on our natural gas. So natural gas, we are expecting to go long on our weekly time frame, but I believe we'll be having a little bit of a drop. Now let's see it on our daily time frame. See, this is actually a huge movement upward. There was a impulse move, a correction, an impulse move, right? Then we are expecting a correction to this level here. So from this correction here, they will be having another impulse movement upward. So this week we would aim to go long on our natural gas.